Hey, what's up guys? On this video, I'm going to be sharing a $200 gift guide for a 4Runner owner. Now, we're right about the holidays now. I recently got asked from somebody what a good item would be. So I came up with 5 items that I thought would be great gifts. Now, these are items that I've personally tried myself, so I recommend them. And I'm going to be sharing also the level of difficulty if there is one on installing it. So I'm going to share all of that in this video. And why $200? Well, if it's a cheap and inexpensive mod, chances are they already have it. So I went ahead and chose $200. I think that is a good price point for something that somebody may not already have and they would really love it because mods are not cheap. So let's go ahead and dive into what I think is number 1. So for number 1, I have the TRD Pro Grill. Now this one is from Car Trim Home. I've raved about this before in a past video. I also have some mod videos and install videos in case you guys are interested, but I love the TRD Pro Grill. This is a aftermarket and it's pretty inexpensive. It comes in at roughly $200. It's free shipping. Make sure you guys use my promo code below and take advantage of a 7% off. Again, this is an item that people spend upwards to $5,000 or $10,000 for a TRD Pro, and it's the iconic Heritage grill with the iconic Toyota lettering. I love this. I think it gives it a great facelift. Again, it's pretty inexpensive. In regards to the installation, it's pretty quick. It took me about 15 minutes. Very basic tools. You don't have to take much off. Again, take a look at the link below. I'll have an install video in case you guys are interested. So that is my number 1 item that I would recommend for $200. So for number 2, what I recommend for a great gift for any 4Runner owner is going to be a pair of fog lights. Now these are Baja Squadrons. I do have an aftermarket Demella bumper, but this fog light does work with the stock bumper for the 4Runner. The only difference is for the 2011 and 12s, you're going to need to add a relay to be able to power both fogs at the same time with the same switch. So that's the only difference. Besides that, it's plug and play. It's a great addition. You never know what you need as far as lighting goes. This is my go-to. So as soon as the conditions become a little bit dimmer, or there's extra fog, or there's a whiteout, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my fogs. So I definitely recommend getting some fogs. The 4Runner owner is definitely gonna love it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on so you guys can see how bright this fog light is. And again, it's gonna be the Amber Housing Squadrons from Baja. So I've got plenty of lights, but these are my go-to. They don't shine the other driver as much as the other ones, and it helps with visibility. I'll have a link below in case you guys are interested in the exact model here. So let's go ahead and turn this off and we'll go ahead and dive into number 3. All right, coming in at number 3, I have these sequential side markers. These are the smoked out versions from Car Trim Home. I love the sequential lights that it provides. It's a $40 upgrade. There is an $80 package that you get the sequential side markers and the rear mirrors, and these are also sequential. I love them because it gives a wide angle view, so I'm able to see a lot of the blind spots. So I think these are by far one of my favorites. It's only an $80 upgrade. Regarding installation, it's not too difficult, but there are some wiring required and you need to be careful with the plastic clips. So out of my mod suggestions, I think this would probably come out between a 6 or a 7 out of 10 for difficulty. But again, it's pretty inexpensive. I love what it does. I've had this for about a year and a half now, and it's worked great. This is number 3. Coming in at number 4, what I recommend is these Husky liners. This is my second set. I've owned a set from my previous vehicle. I've tried other brands like WeatherTech, but the Husky liners, they fit like a glove. I love how durable they are. They hold shape. They're not as plastic as the other brands. They're actually rubberized. And again, they clean off easily. You just throw some degreaser on them, spray them off while you're washing your vehicle, and they're like brand new. So I definitely recommend these Husky liners. They're just the best, simply the best. So that's what I recommend for number 4. And coming in at number 5, is an item that I feel like it's really important that for anybody to have, not just a 4Runner owner, and it is a dash cam. So this is a dash cam. It's not made specifically for a 4Runner, but it's a front and rear dash cam. It records on a loop. You can put different size memory cards in it. This is the valve fold that I've had for about a year and a half now. I also have an install video, which I'll drop in the link below, but it's a great item. It has motion detection. It has a really easy playback system. So I definitely recommend that. I've been in an accident before in the past, and the other owner claimed that it wasn't his fault, but I just told him that I'll review the video. I sent the video to insurance, done deal. The case was mine. Definitely need a dash cam. And again, what's nice about this one, it's a dual channel, so it has the camera also in the back, which I'll show you. And it's nice. It records front, from the back. Hey, everybody needs a dash cam. That's what's going to come in at number 5. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Actually, before I finish off the video, I'm actually going to be testing out a fit cam while I'm on that topic. This is a camera that they sent me. It's specifically for the 4Runner, so it uses the mode in the radar system up top here. So I don't know, I haven't really tried this out yet, but hey, tune in for my next video where I'll show you guys the install for this. If it fits, I'm gonna love it even more because it's gonna replace this, and I'm gonna be able to get rid of that on my windshield view. So really excited about this. Tune in. I'll have a link below as well. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So there you have it, guys. That is my 5 $200 gift guide. I did want to apologize for the Baja Squadrons. I just recently checked on that, and then the price was actually at $220 off of Amazon. So it did go up in value, but I still wanted to share it. I think it's still a great gift that you can get a 4Runner owner. Again, let me know what you guys think of this list. This is something that I personally use myself, and I thought that, hey, this is something that I would love to share to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you guys hit like, make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on that next one.